Good afternoon. Good afternoon, everyone. It gives me immense pleasure to be amongst you all in this annual general conference of Neso. We have with us respected Deputy CM, Sri Animesh Debarma, TTADC, who also hold the portfolio of horticulture, agriculture, tribal welfare, and industry. We have with us Sri Uma Shankar Debarma, MDC, TTADC, and also we have on the dais the advisors of Neso, officials, office bearers of Neso, and office bearer of different organizations from Northeast. And present here, my dear brothers and sisters and young students. A very good day to start. I didn't expect my talk to be so early. I thought I'll hear someone's talk and prepare myself better. But I had to talk early. So, first of all, I would like to welcome all the delegates that have come from different parts of the Northeast India, who has come to Tripura. A very hearty welcome. I hope you stay in this state for the few days you stay here will be a good one and a memorable one too. Neso being the umbrella organization for all the students' organization has always been with us in all our issues since time immemorial. Since I know what the students' organization was, I knew that. So first of all, I would say thank you, Neso, for being with the people of Northeast. Neso has always stood for the greater interest of the people of the Northeast India. I humbly thank you for all the stand you have taken in opposing the CAA and uniting the people of Northeast in protesting against the implementation of CAA in a democratic way. Today, when we talk of our survival, one institution that has come up is the Autonomous District Council. The Autonomous District Council has set up in many states of Northeast. And here in Tripura, we have TTAADC. It's already more than 40 years that we are having this Autonomous District Council, whose objective was to give autonomy to the people and secure their future. But now I think it is time to think, is the autonomy given sufficient for us? Do we need something more? I think a platform like Neso is a perfect place where we can discuss for this and take future action in the right perspective direction. Education is the most powerful weapon you can use to change the world, said Nelson Mandela. In this backdrop, I'd like to ask, how is this education, how is this power to educate is being entrusted with the Autonomous District Council? Are they able to educate us and make us future ready? This is something we should think. Without education, our future generation goes nowhere. So, I think and I believe Neso can take a bigger role and plan to strengthen the ADC to the fullest strength as per provision of the Constitution of India. I would like the young students to inculcate the habits of reading and writing. As an academician, it pains me to see today we have lost the art of reading. We don't read. Maximum we read is the status in maybe WhatsApp and Facebook. The sole aim and one of the most important part of all this organization is to guide the student. And I believe the student, the younger generation, should inculcate this habit of reading and writing. The moment you don't write, someone will write for you. And if someone writes, the person will write according to the liking that suits his narrative. You have to write for your own self, for your existence. Today, we are in a world of technology. The technology, being from a computer science background, I can say that today the internet is full of data. Earlier, we run short of data. Today, it's abundance. So it's no more the fight between the dark and light. It's the fight to choose the right light, because light is everywhere. It is to choose and analyze and find which is fake and real. That is somewhere you should all, as a student, focus on. And the student body, like all the association from different states, obviously they are always with the student. And I hope this basic thing to be a student, why we are called a student, we should never forget. We are not a student to do something else. We are called student because we study, we read, we learn. And I think we should never forget that we are a student. And once a student is always a student. We always learn. I may be out from school, college, universities, but learning never stops. And whenever we learn, we are always a student. We are student of, earlier we are student of school, teacher, now we may be a student of time. We have to keep on learning. I wish a great success for this annual general conference of Neso, and I believe Neso will work harder and contribute to make this region of Northeast the best in the world. Thank you.